Okay, the learning target for today's video is this. I can set up my agenda so it's ready for the week. And two, I can fill out my agenda correctly every day for every class. So let's start by setting it up. Step one, you'll notice that on each side right here, it has the subject areas: language arts, science, mathematics, and social studies. Perfect. The problem is we have two periods that don't have any labels. So we're going to take care of that right away. So it's set up for the week. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to label the quarter rotation. Now, you could put in your quarter rotation if you want. You could write down art, you could write down STEM, you could write down facts, or the easier way is just to put QTR, but you have to have it labeled each week. The second thing you have to do is you need to go and label the last class in there, and that's your AB class. You can either put AB if you want, or you could actually list the actual AB class, so PE and STEM. Either way is fine, but you have to have these two columns labeled to have your week set up. Now, how can you do it successfully each and every day in terms of filling it out? We're going to get to that right now. There's three things you have to do. First thing we want you to do is we want you to neatly fill in each period of the day with your assignment or your learning target or your essential question. Your teacher will kind of help you out with that because they'll probably be on the board or something, but you have to have something for each of your 6 periods of the day. The only one that's kind of iffy is your AB class. Depending on your AB teacher, they might not have you fill that one out. So you'll have to refer to your teacher, but otherwise they should all be filled out. Now, they might have an essential question in there. They might have what you're doing. It might be a learning target and homework. It's going to depend on the teacher, but you got to fill in each of the 6 different sections. All right, number 2. Because you got to do 3 things each and every day. The second thing you have to do is you have to highlight all your homework. So in this particular case, we have 2 things that are homework. We have to do this math homework, problems 9 through 23 odd. And for the STEM class, I have to bring my painted car back tomorrow. Yeah, we want you to highlight each thing that's a homework assignment so it sticks out. There's no doubt you can see it real quickly, and so can your parents if you have homework. Last but not least, the third thing we want you to do is when you get done doing your homework, we want you to put a smiley face next to it so that you know that it's done. It's a small smiley face. Just put it right next to your homework assignment so you know that's done. And that way quickly you're like, oop, I got it done. I got it done. So the 3 things you want you to do every single day in your agenda are 1, neatly fill in each section. 2, highlight the homework. And then 3, when you get done with the homework, we want you to put a smiley face right next to that highlighted homework assignment. I think with this, you're ready to go. I think you can hit that learning target and have a successful year.